Alright, we're practicing place with Walter, Jesse, and Scarlett. Oh, hi. Come on in.
Alright. How are you today?
I'm good. We're doing some dog training.
I see that.
Yeah, there they are. The three amigos.
Oh, well, aren't they cute?
Yeah, they're good dogs.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're very good. You could go talk to them if you want.
Hi, guys. Hi, everyone. Hi. Uh-oh.
Yeah, he's fine. Yeah, he's
still where
fine.
he belongs. Hi, Beaver.
Yep, he's fine.
Hi, guys. Hello.
Oh, he would like to be jumping on you, but he's not.
Oh, that's very good. I'm getting little kisses, though.
Yeah. Good dogs. Excellent. Good boy. Very, very good.